Alright, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crispina. I have not uploaded a makeup tutorial in a little bit. Alright, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you tune in regularly or have seen one of my videos. Today is a little bit of a different video. Today is the first time I've done a collab with someone. So I did a collab with F Alvarado 3 on Instagram, and I'll put her tag name down, and she is aspiring MUA like myself, and her looks are bomb. And one day we were messaging, we were like, you know what, we're gonna pick out looks for each other, and I'll put it on the screen where the inspo came from. I changed it up just a little bit just because I didn't want to exactly, you know, like copy it, but this is the final product. If you would like to see how I got into this look using my Beauty Bay palette and my Juvias palette, then keep watching. And today's focus is going to be mainly a focus on eyes, and then I did like a speeded up tutorial of the rest of the face. So I've been doing this or setting up for this for like hours. What did I use? After I washed my face, I used some of the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion, and then I used a couple drops of this NYX hydratouch oil primer. Recently went to Ulta and I got a new setting spray. Not only is it a setting spray, but it's a primer as well. It is the Catrice Cosmetics Long Lasting Prime and Fine Multi-Talent Fixing Spray. My first time using this brand. I feel like, I don't know, I just like the packaging. This actually has a very pleasant scent. I'm going to use this today just to refresh my skin because it's been a couple hours since I washed and moisturized, even though I'm looking real oily and lubed up. To outline the outside of my brows, I'm going to be using the Kiss New York Top Brow Fine Precision Brow Pencil, and this is in brunette. Recently, I got my hands on this Morphe Chocolate Mousse Brow Cream. It says it's a brow cream, and it's definitely, that's what it is. Ooh, on the back of my hand, well, not like that. Kind of smooth it down so my brush is completely flat. And going in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I am in medium sand. This flat AliExpress concealer brush, at least that's what I use it for. For my transition shade and for my crease color, I'm going to be going in with my Beauty Bay UIN 42 Bright Matte Color Palette. This is the palette, and I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here. This is Sugar Plum and Wisteria. To complete the look is this pretty color in my Juvias Place the Festival palette. It's this shade Yuli. Looks really clean. So I'm going to be going in with this AliExpress taper brush, Wisteria first, which is the darker purple tone. When I do eyeshadow, I stamp on the color first before I start blending. Now that I have that color placed where I want it, I'm going to go in with my Morphe B81 brush. This is a taper brush, but it's not stiff. I'm going to be going in with this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 5 brush. It is super fluffy. Going with Sugar Plum. Now, but I'm gonna go in with Drama Queen, which is this really deep purple. To start packing on the color, I'm gonna use a smaller brush just because I know I am. This is a e.l.f. blending brush. I'm not going to be fully cutting my crease. Go in with this ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. don't see like a pinky tone shadow that like I want right now, but I haven't used this yet for a shadow, so I'm gonna try it. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder, but it's like a loose powder, so I don't wanna. Okay, I literally love where this went. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I got this little bloom palette. It's a cute little palette. This is the shade Lilac in the middle.